Right guys, quick video, hopefully. Got a brand new Brinks padlock in the post. This one's from Raging Skull. He sent it over to me and I've never got around to picking it. It's not been out of the packet or anything. I've never picked one of these Brinks American padlocks before. I say American, it's from America, it's not the brand American, just for you that get confused with that. 5 pins, pick resistant. What's there to say about that? Let's try and get this open. Failed miserably. And that, get the pen knife out. Jesus Christ. Right. There's the key. All locked up. Right, let's have a go at picking this. Not picked a lock in about a month or two, so hopefully it won't be too much of a problem. Let's have a quick feel. That's open. And that's the Brinks 5 pin from Raging Skull. And it goes back together. Cheers guys.